This video aims to lay a strong foundation in programming, an essential skill for solving problems efficiently using computers. These outcomes set clear expectations. You will learn to differentiate between programming approaches, think computationally, and grasp the basics of algorithms, which are essential for writing efficient code. Programming is about giving precise commands to a dumb machine. Since computers only follow instructions, programmers must break down tasks into clear, executable steps. Programming languages act as translators. High-level languages, like Python, are human-readable, while low-level languages, like assembly, are closer to machine code. Tools like compilers convert code into binary for the computer. Different tasks require different languages. Low-level languages offer more control, example, hardware programming, while high-level languages prioritize readability and productivity. Imperative paradigms explicitly define how to solve a problem. Procedural programming organizes code into functions, while loop models real-world entities as objects. Computer programs optimize efficiency across industries. EHRs enhance healthcare, Moodle supports education, social media boosts engagement, and e-commerce streamlines transactions. This approach simplifies complex problems. For instance, decomposing a large project into modules makes it manageable, while abstraction reduces unnecessary complexity. Algorithms are the backbone of programming. For example, a sorting algorithm must clearly define steps to organize data and work efficiently even with large datasets. Writing code is iterative, breaking problems into smaller parts, example, writing functions first, simplifies development. Testing ensures the program works as intended. This video condensed key concepts from each page, emphasizing programming fundamentals, paradigms, and problem-solving techniques. Thank you, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.